Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add your Pluxee card to Google Pay. First, open the Pluxee application on your phone. Wait for it to load and make sure you are signed into your account. Once you are inside the app, go to your card section. You will see your active card displayed on the screen. Tap on your card to open its details. Next, go to your card settings menu. You can usually find this by tapping on the three dots or settings icon near your card. In the settings menu, look for an option that says Add to Google Wallet or sometimes Add to Google Pay. Tap on it to continue. After that, a new screen will appear asking you to select your device. This step is important if you have more than one Android phone connected to your account. Choose the device you want to use for contactless payments. Once you have selected your device, you will be asked to accept the terms and conditions of use. Read through them and then tap on the Accept button to confirm. Your Pluxee card will now be linked to Google Pay. The process may take a few seconds, so wait until you see the confirmation message that your card has been successfully added. Thanks for watching.